Hello, welcome back. It's the new year and it's 2024. So happy new year to you all. And we're going to see what happens in December. So before I get going, I picked up a bit of a cold a couple of days ago. So from my perspective, my voice is still not quite there, but might sound okay on the phone. All right. I am doing end of quarter video today, so we will have a look at the portfolio too. However, I'm not doing a PC today, so maybe, well, actually, by the time I do the 4-year anniversary video in February, I'll be on the PC. Just got things set up slightly different in a minute, so I'm just doing it on the phone. So there we are. So to kick off December, I had £6 in total from AWK REIT. Then it came £6.25, which is a few days later than what I had been receiving them. I had been receiving them on the day, but then this month they went back to a few days into the next month from Edison Property Investment Company, which may or may, well, it looks like they're continuing the dividend. They cancelled they cancelled the dividend for December, but transferred to January. They were looking to. They sold the majority of their portfolio to a subsidiary or something to do with Realty REIT in the America, and they were looking to just return the cash to shareholders unless a new corporate opportunity came up. Then all of a sudden they announced the dividend moved into January. So it looks as though, without any other confirmation at the minute on their website, from what I saw a couple of days ago, looks as though they're just continuing the dividend for a while longer. If not, I don't know. I don't know how that would work in terms of return of cash, the way the sort of stock market sort of figures out these payments. You know, if you're worth 200 something million and then all of a sudden you give them back 200 million, surely the share price will go down to hardly anything. I don't know how that works in that sense. Or unless they delist it and then do it. That's one I've not had to come across yet. I've had a few get acquired, but certainly not that scenario. So we see how that plays out, but right now it's paying a dividend in January as well. So that's that one. Then £19.25 from GCP Infrastructure Investments, £16 from VPC Lending Specialists, Investment, sorry. PIMCO US Short-Term Corporate Bond Index, which is an ETF, and one of my 2 monthly payers. Now with £6.72, which actually was 6.71 pence a share. I'm probably going to pick up another 30 of these shares at some point this year. And then Renewables Infrastructure Group was £14.36. So that gave me a total for the month of £62.33, £908.37 for the year, and £1,958.63 in total dividends since I started investing in February 2020. So we're going to have a look at the portfolio. So as things are live, things are right now here and there. There's 15,000 invested. I thought just picked up 50 shares of Core Resources about 5 minutes before I started doing this video. So what I did do the other week was take Lloyd's out of the portfolio with a £33 profit, purely to protect some capital, as I was down through £3,500 at one stage a couple of months ago. And I've also put the interest payments back now, reactivated them. So that £677.52 of Lloyd's principal is now going to earn 5 pence a day, whatever it is. Well, it might go up a bit more once the rate goes up now this month. But at the minute, they always seem to be 5 pence a day. That's fine. It will do that now until either the next dividends announced by Lloyd's or the share price drops to below 43 pence. If that happens first, I will then pick up 1,500 shares, maybe 1,600 as well, right? That's all depending on what I'm going to do. I would like to get Lloyd's to 2,000 shares, but what I'm trying to do with the minute, because this one I pay twice a year instead of 4 times a year or monthly, is try and just protect a little bit of capital for a bit, because I've had a unique year in terms of I've been down for so long on the portfolio, a year as of October 2022 to October 2023 and more, that was a case of, okay, there's an opportunity there to take a small, tiny amount of a profit, but protect some capital. So that's what I've done there. So as you can see, the portfolio is down and it's live. So let's just take a quick, very quick estimate of our net, because we go compare the dividend income with the loss that's open or unrealized loss as they call it. 90837 take away 2422.96 gives me a net loss of £1,514.59. So I'm alright with that. It's not anywhere as good as the £6 loss I had at the end of last year, which is end of 2022, but for 2023, shall we say, only 2 days into it, into 24, that was a sort of loss, if you want to look at it that way. I did make a note of something, but then I didn't write it down particularly where it was. I kind of had, I was going to do this yesterday and I forgot all about it. So there we are. So that's that. And I will see you all next month. For those of you who are watching, I think now I've had 2 returning subscribers of a view. So that's improvement. In fact, that's double the improvement. So there's 100% on returning viewers. So all the best for this month. Hopefully you'll have a good year as well in terms of investing and so forth. Make 2024 a good one as best you can. And I will see you in February for both the January income and also the 4-year anniversary video as well. So enjoy, and I shall see you soon.